Hey everyone, Jeff here from Bruiser Conversions. Been having a lot of questions in regards to our new line of engines, so I wanted to take this time to briefly go over some of the benefits of this particular application and why we actually built it. So before you here is a L8T. This is a 6.6 liter GM LT platform truck engine that we have taken and converted to port injection. As you can see, the rails that go down the side of the intake manifold with the injectors. We've plugged the direct injection system and removed it from the engine, putting all the required components on the engine to just make it virtually go away. We've also converted the engine to a non-VVT application. It is a cast iron bottom end with aluminum heads, but it's a very, very, very strong and well-built motor. And the reason that we converted this engine to port injection is because we've been doing LS conversions for many, many years. And basically when the LS3 or the Gen 4 platform engines became pretty much unavailable in the marketplace due to lack of manufacturing, we decided to go with something that was up to date and was readily available through large manufacturing companies such as AutoNation and GM Performance and so on and so forth. All the accessories drive as well. So first I wanted to go over the front accessories drive on this engine. This engine can be used in any application: resto mod, muscle car, hot rod, truck, rat rod, Jeep, CJ, YJ, TJ, JK, JT, JL, you name it. Every single application. If you look at the accessories drive on the front of the engine, you'll notice the large cavity in this general vicinity of the engine. Well, in a lot of our four-wheel drive and off-roading needs for steering boxes, they're rather bulky. We use a big bore box that takes up a lot of room. And in a lot of other applications, the steering gear box seems to be in the way quite frequently as well. So we took that out of the equation. We've had this motor in Corvettes, we've had it in 69 Camaros, we've had them in mid-60s, late 60s GTOs, Jeeps, you name it. It fits in just about anything. The beautiful thing about this motor too is that it has all the qualities of the LT with the strength, and but yet it has the tuning capability of the E38, which is the Gen 4 platform that a lot of people are very familiar with. An actual Gen 4 wiring harness that was on an LS3 will pretty much lay right on this engine, with the exception of a couple of sensors that might need to be lengthened ever so slightly. So it's a direct replacement for any LS platform truck or car motor. So I hope I've given everybody a little bit of information on exactly what this engine is. We also offer it in a 5.3, a 6.2 all aluminum, a 6.2 cast iron bottom end with aluminum heads, and the L8T 6.6 liter.